This is just a small portion of my twisty puzzle Rubik's Cube type collection, and today I'm going to be solving all of them for you guys. How I'm going to do this is I'm going to have the video at a still, and I'm going to have you guys click on an annotation that will take you to the link to a video of whatever puzzle of your choosing you want to see me solve. I'll give you a quick tour so you know what each of these puzzles are. Here is a puzzle called the Gear Cube. This is a puzzle called the Rubik's Magic. This is my custom Lego cube. This is a puzzle called the Mirror Blocks. This is a 2x2 cube puzzle called the Ice Cube. A 2x2 puzzle called the Junior Cube. This is a 3x3 puzzle called Rubik's Icon. This is just a regular 3x3 puzzle. This is a 3x3 sparkly puzzle. This is a Rubik's 360. This is a 3x3 puzzle with stickers based for the Chicago Bulls basketball team. This is the 30th anniversary wooden 3x3 cube. This is the 3x3 New York Giants base Rubik's Cube. This is the 3x3 St. Louis Cardinals base Rubik's Cube. I love sports Rubik's Cubes. This is the special Revenge of the Fallen 3x3 All-Spark Transformer Cube. And at the top we got the big boys. Here we have a Ishin 4x4, a V-Cube 5x5, and finally the Coupe de Grace, the V-Cube 7, which is currently the largest V-Cube makes as far as dimensions go. So alright, now that you know what all the puzzles are, just click the annotation that you want to see and it should take you straight to it. Did you click one yet? My arm's getting tired. It's not that hard, just click a puzzle. Any puzzle. I'm really getting tired of holding this camera. I'm having trouble holding the camera. Come on, pick a puzzle already. Come on, pick a puzzle.